Let's make sweet potato fries. I'm using white sweet potatoes for this recipe. It's also called boniato in the US and other countries. I'll start by peeling the potatoes. Peeling is optional, by the way. The back is fully edible. So if you prefer not to peel, just make sure you scrub the potatoes really well before slicing. Next, I like to cut the big potatoes into two and then attach it to the guard of my mandoline slicer. And then I'll just go ahead and slice this into really thin pieces. Rotate the potato a couple of times while cutting so you get even cuts. Next, transfer to a bowl of water and give this a really good scrub. You want to wash this until the water is clear and not cloudy. Removing all that starch is going to give you really light, crispy potato chips. Next, spread out the sliced potatoes on a paper towel or clean kitchen towel. You can also skip this step and just drain out the water really well. This step just helps the chips crisp up faster and also helps prevent the oil temperature from getting too low. Next, heat up oil in a wide pot. You can test the oil temperature by adding a chip, and if it sizzles, then the oil is hot enough. Add a good amount of the chips and then fry for about 7 to 10 minutes, depending on how much fries you add. When they're golden brown, take them out. Make sure they're not too brown because they will continue to brown when they're out of the oil. Salt immediately while they're still hot. This helps the salt stick better. Allow the chips cool down in the strainer before transferring it to a tray so they don't get soggy. Repeat the same steps with the remaining chips. When you're done, let them cool down completely before storing. And just like that, you've got homemade crispy sweet potato chips. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. You can find a full detailed written recipe on my website kikifoodies.com.